Drizzle on the window pane, a misty serenade, the rhythm of the raindrops, a lullaby cascade. Melodies so gentle, they soothe the troubled mind. A slow jazz symphony, leaving worries all behind. The rain is the conductor, orchestrating the sound. Soft piano keys floating like raindrops hitting the ground. The saxophone whispers secrets of the pouring skies, as the bass and drums create a steady lullaby. Rainy day melodies washing away the gray, pure relaxation in a jazzy kind of way. Close your eyes and drift, let the music carry you to a peaceful realm where dreams come